Together, let's create a future where every child can dream, drive, and breathe the neighboring love of a family. We would like to request also all of our participants to please park all your bikes doon sa right side. And